If you're into home improvement, DIY repairs, or even just reaching that one annoying cobweb in the corner of your ceiling, having the right ladder can save you time, effort, and a lot of back and forth. But here's the thing, not all ladders are built the same. Especially if you're in Europe, you want something that meets local safety standards, folds up neatly, adjusts to different working angles, and doesn't weigh a ton to move around. That's why today we're covering the 7 best telescopic and articulated ladders you can get in Europe. These aren't just good, they're the top-rated, most functional options out there right now. All the product links are down in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. Kicking things off with the Gym-Mount Telescopic Portable Ladder. This one's super compact but stretches out to 3.8 meters, which is plenty for most indoor jobs or light outdoor use. What I really like is how fast it unfolds. You're not fiddling around for 10 minutes trying to figure out which bit goes where. It also comes with stabilizer bars and removable hooks, which give you added grip whether you're washing the car or doing a quick fix in the garage. It's rated for up to 150 kilograms, and while it's not the tallest in the bunch, it's the most portable. You could almost carry it with one hand and still have room for your toolbox in the other. If you want something you can throw in the back of a car and use on the go, this one checks all the boxes. Now, if height is your priority, let's talk about the Stanu telescopic ladder. This one extends to a full 5 meters, split into two 2.5 meter sections, and it feels rock solid when you're standing on it. Made from anti-slip aluminum and with a smooth folding mechanism, it's ideal for reaching tall ceilings or trimming trees in the yard. Every segment clicks into place with a satisfying lock, and the rubber feet keep it grounded on slippery floors. It's the kind of ladder that gives you peace of mind, even if you're up there changing a roof tile in windy weather. It is a little bulkier when folded compared to the Gym-Mount, but if you need the extra reach, it's worth the space. For outdoor tasks and multi-floor homes, this one's a solid pick. Moving into heavier-duty territory, we've got the Cali 5M articulated ladder. What sets this one apart is its multifunctionality. You can use it as a scaffold, a step ladder, or extend it fully as a straight ladder. Super handy for jobs that require flexibility. It also comes in a matte black aluminum finish, which not only looks pro but resists scuffs and scratches. The anti-slip feet are extra grippy too, so you feel secure on all surfaces. It's a bit heavier though, so I wouldn't call it portable. This is the ladder you want when you're working from morning to evening and don't want to second-guess your gear. But if you're working on renovations, construction, or need something you can adapt on the fly, this one's a workhorse. Speaking of balance, the Treppy articulated ladder gives you 4.7 meters of reach with a 4x4 segment structure. It folds compactly and is lighter than the Cali, which makes it a better option for frequent setup and takedown. The joint locking system is quick and reliable, and the overall build feels really stable, even when it's fully extended. You can easily use this in A-frame mode indoors, or unfolded outdoors for roof access. One of the big wins here is setup speed. If you've ever struggled with a ladder that feels like solving a puzzle, this one's refreshingly straightforward. It's not the tallest, but it's definitely one of the most user-friendly designs if you're moving between multiple rooms or work areas. Now for something built with indoor users in mind, the LOUAK&HIRON telescopic ladder. At 4.7 meters, it's a great middle ground height, but what really shines here is the slim profile and high grip steps. Imagine needing to swap out a ceiling fixture or accessing a loft space. This ladder folds small enough to tuck away in a closet, but it feels super secure once extended. It's especially good for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited storage space. Not quite as flexible as the Cali or Treppy in terms of configurations, but a winner for ease of use and convenience. It's the kind of ladder you'd actually want to use instead of dreading it every time something's out of reach. Here's where we get serious. The BTF articulated telescopic ladder is made in Europe and it shows. With a professional-grade aluminum build, 6+5 step layout, and up to 150 kilogram capacity, this ladder feels premium the moment you unfold it. I have to say, the engineering on this thing is impressive. The 4x6 design makes it incredibly stable even on stairs or angled surfaces, and every hinge locks in with authority. If you're doing renovations or need a ladder that adapts to architectural quirks, this is it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of ladders, versatile, reliable, and built to last. Compared to others on this list, it's more refined and purpose-built. It's the kind of ladder you'd expect to see in a contractor's van, but it works just as well for serious DIYers. And finally, we've got the Masco 5.1 meter telescopic ladder. This one stands out for being double-sided, meaning you can climb it from both ends. It's a 4x5 design, ideal for yard work, roof access, or those annoying high gutters. What's cool is how adaptable it is. Even without a wall to lean on, you can pop it up as a freestanding frame and get the job done. It's slightly heavier, but the versatility makes up for that. This is your go-to if you've got weekend warrior energy and a full to-do list around the house. You won't be using this one in a tiny hallway, but for outdoor projects or big tasks, it's a lifesaver. Now, let's go a bit deeper with some extra pointers that might help you choose. First off, safety is key. All the ladders here are rated for at least 150 kilograms and feature anti-slip feet and secure locking systems. That means you can climb confidently whether you're 60 kilos or carrying a 25-kilo toolbox. Safety gear is essential, but the right ladder is your first line of defense. Next, storage space matters. If you're short on room, GymOut and LOUAK&HIRON offer the most compact folded sizes, perfect for city apartments or tool closets. Versatility is another big win. Cali and Treppy offer multiple working modes, scaffold, A-frame, extension, so you're not limited to just one configuration. If you work professionally, like in construction or maintenance, go for the BTF. It's built in Europe with high-grade materials and offers precision you'll feel with every lock and joint. Planning a garden project or working on uneven ground. Masco gives you a stable, freestanding setup with tons of flexibility. Need to move it around a lot? GymOut is your friend. Lightweight, foldable, and ready to go when you are. Worried about reach? Stanu and Cali both give you a full 5 meters, which covers most homes, garages, and exterior facades. Value for money? Trepp hits a great sweet spot. Affordable, flexible, and reliable. You don't always need to buy the most expensive option. You just need one that works when it counts. So, to sum it all up, if you're looking for the most compact and portable, GymOut and LOUAK&HIRON are your go-to. For max height, Stanu and Cali deliver. If you want that sweet middle ground between function and form, go with Treppy. Need pro-level reliability and build quality made in Europe? The BTF is top tier. And if outdoor work and configuration flexibility are your thing, Masco rounds out the list perfectly. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out and compare pricing or reviews. If this video helped you make a decision or saved you a few hours of scrolling through product listings, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical product guides, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and stay elevated.